Hello everyone, Bahar here, and today I'm going to present to you the topics of simple machines. So, what is a simple machine? As you can see, simple machines is a type of tools that is used to change the direction and magnitude of force applied into it. In other words, they are the simplest tools that exploit mechanical advantage to multiply force. The examples of those are pulleys, wheel, lever, wedge, and screw. For pulleys, pulley is a simple machine that uses tension to mitigate the force of gravity exerted into a body of mass, also known as weight. A pulley consists of a wheel that is either fixed or movable that uses ropes, chains, or belt to move its load. The way a pulley accomplishes this is by defining the weight of the object by the amount of rope section that is used in the pulley, with MA equals W divided by T. The result is a concept that is called mechanical advantage. This is the types of pulley, the one that is fixed, the one that is movable, and the one that is a block and tackle, with the mechanical advantage of each being that 1, 2, and 3. And then the application of pulley in real life is that it is used to lift objects that is normally impossible to lift by an unaided person. This makes it especially useful in construction and industrial work. And then we got wheels. Wheel is a simple machine that involves a circular object that is attached to an axle that uses the concept of angular momentum to create mechanical advantage. MA equals F out divided by F in, which is basically boils down to the radius of the wheel and the radius of axle divided by the radius of axle. And then you have the structure of the wheel. Again, there's the axle and the wheels over there in the sides of the axle. And the application of wheels is that wheels are used as a staple object in transportation method. For example, car uses wheels in order to move itself, because without wheels, the car engine would not have enough force to move a car and its content to a speed that is viable for transportation. Then you have a lever. Lever is a simple machine that is consisted of a beam that is connected to a fulcrum. Its parts are divided into load, fulcrum, and effort. The ratio of lever's mechanical advantage can be measured from the ratio of the length of the load to fulcrum and then the length of the effort to the fulcrum. As you can see, MA equals to F2 times B divided by F1 times A, which is B and A being the length of both, the load and the fulcrum and the length of the effort to the fulcrum. And then you have types of lever being that class 1, which is the fulcrum is in the middle of effort and resistance, and then class 2, which the resistance or the load is in the middle of effort and fulcrum, and then class 3, which is the effort that is in the middle of the load and the fulcrum. And then the application of it is that lever have been used in many tools human currently use. It is used in tools that range from simple home appliances such as scissors to a construction crane. And then you have wedges. Wedges is a type of inclined plane. It is used to separate objects, lift and move objects, or hold an object in place. It functions by converting forces from its blunt end perpendicular to its inclined end. Its mechanical advantage comes from the ratio of the length of its slope to its width. As you can see here, MA equals FB divided by FA, which is again equal to the length divided by the width. And then this is the shape. You have the blunt end, you have the inclined end, and you have the length. The application of it is that it has been used in household items such as knives to help cut objects easily, and inclines that is used to move objects from lower to higher elevations. And then you have screw. A screw is a simple machine that converts rotational movement and force into linear movement and force. A screw mechanical advantage comes from the axial force, or F out, applied by the shaft to the rotational force F in that is applied to the rim of the shaft to turn it. MA equals F out divided by F in, which is equals to 2PR divided by length. This is a part of screw. You have the head, you have the drive, you have the shank, thread, and tip. And then the application of the screw is that it is used in drilling tools because it's capable of easily drilling holes in the surface. Its self-locking properties make it useful as contracting screw to hold objects together. That is all from me. Thank you for listening. See you next time.